Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the device and OS so you know which settings layout to use. Once done, open Settings on iPhone or iPad, or open Safari and choose Preferences on Mac. Make sure to navigate directly to the search section. Don't wander through General first. You need the search engine selector visible. If you're on iOS, tap Safari then Search Engine. On Mac OS, click the Safari menu, then Preferences and the Search tab. This gets you ready to pick Google. Now change the actual setting. Tap or click the search engine menu so the available engines appear. You'll see options like Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo. Select Google. Once selected, Safari will route address bar searches to Google immediately. Make sure to test it by entering a short query in the address or search field. You should see Google results and branding. If you use synced devices, the change may propagate via iCloud, so verify other devices after this step to ensure consistency. Finish by confirming Google loads for a fresh search and that search suggestions behave as expected. If Google is not listed, make sure your device software is up to date and that screen time or content restrictions aren't hiding search options. Once done, restart Safari or reboot the device to clear transient issues, then reopen settings to double-check the search engine is still set to Google. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud temporarily to isolate sync-related issues and try changing the setting again.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.